Hey, welcome everyone. Today we are presenting how to replace LCD display screen for MacBook Pro A2861. Let's go for another fun job. Watch till end. Please subscribe if you like our tech videos. These screws stripped out, they was getting hard to remove. We put the MacBook face side on a 90-degree angle of a metal table and use T6 screw. You need to use your maximum power to remove it. Push and rotate the screwdriver anti-clockwise and there you go, they coming out. Do the same process with the other screw. Worn-out screws look like that they pretty much worn out and won't be able to use them again. Let's proceed to the rest of the repair. Need to remove the whole display screen with the new. Watch our video till end. Please give subscription if you like our tech videos.